Hello everyone, welcome back to Skint Living UK. My name's Kathy and I live in Liverpool in the northwest of England. Today I'm making a £1 or less meal. What am I making? I'm making eggy bread. Some people call it French toast. So in this pasta bowl I've got 3 eggs mixed with a slosh of milk. Next door I've got some bread ready to go, and in the pan I've got a knob of butter, but oil is just as good. What's great about eggy bread is you can have it with all kinds of things. You can have it with beans, have it with chips, have it with salad, have it with sausage, have it with bacon, have it with mushrooms. Whatever you like. My kids used to like it with the beans. I'd have the little sausages in the tin, or spaghetti hoops. Okay, so right, what are we doing? So the fat's spitting away, your hands are clean, got a slice of bread, and let's coat it. Okay, so it is a messy job. Get it in the pan. There we go. So it's great for breakfast, lunch, dinner. Really cheap, less than £1, and will feed 2, 3, 4 people, depending on how many slices of bread you use. Okay, so sizzling away. There's all kinds of things you can have with it. So it's great, it'll fill you up, really cheap, really easy. This one's done, and let's do the next one. So dip the bread, rotate it, so it's 3 eggs in here and some milk. Obviously you can use more eggs and more milk as you please. Let's slosh the oil around the pan a bit more. Let's get it. It is a bit smoky. As you can see, really easy to do. Just slosh a bit of milk in with your eggs because it will make your mixture go a bit further. White or brown bread will do. Great for kids, great for adults. You can see. So eggy bread or French toast. Yum, yum, yum.